Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Will Zilliqa finally start pushing up? Are we going to see a reversal in terms of the price of Zilliqa? Because obviously we did go up as high as almost 10 cents, right? And then we began declining. But is the correction finally over? Are the raid days as far as Zilliqa is concerned finally over? Are we supposed to be expecting another good, decent pump towards the upside where we might potentially see new all-time highs this particular year? I go by the name of Muna, aka Beyond 10x. I am finally back. I was taking a break and I was just in the background making money doing trades, because I can actually trade without even needing YouTube and just the need to like hype our projects and all that stuff. I can pretty much make money in the background. But I'm back, ladies and gentlemen, because I did miss seeing your lovely faces, and of course I'm here back on this daily grind, and I'm just going to be giving you all this awesome goodness. Happy New Year. I really hope that you had a very good New Year, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to like helping you make some money. So now let's talk about business. Let's talk about Zilliqa. So first of all, one of the things that I would love to talk about is the broken structure as far as the downtrend is concerned. So this is where we obviously had like a very good area of value. This happened like a few hours ago, and these are the types of things that I am usually looking forward to, especially as a cryptocurrency traders, because these are the tipping points. These are the moments that really define who a real trader is. I have identified this particular pattern, and obviously here we've got like a lot of different confluences. We've got like a lot of different sort of areas of value, and a few things that we can pinpoint and say, okay, this is about to cause a little bit of a reversal, because we have been having like downtrends, and people have become wary. A lot of you have become very, very skeptical as far as the trajectory of Zilliqa is concerned. But I told you in my previous videos, if you do take profits, you are always going to be good, because corrections are bound to happen, and this is how markets move. They go up and down. So what you need to do is, whenever you are in a lot of profits, take something off of the table, so that when these situations happen, because we had a very good correction from the 9 cent level, right, almost 10 cents from here all the way to this particular, that was like a 45% price discount right over there. So if you did sell quite a few ZILs here, I mean, you would be good, you'd be happy, you'd be like, wrapping up your hands just like Birdman. You'd be like, okay, it's time to get back into the game, it's time to make this money and double it, because 47% is a lot of money. So anyhow, I just want to like talk about this particular area, because I am seeing very good structure being broken, especially as the bears are concerned. Okay, so first of all, TD sequential, 9th candle, boom, there is our buy signal right over there according to the TD sequential. And as you can see right over here, right, this is a broken Heikin-Ashi towards the downside. Okay, if you guys know anything about Heikin-Ashi candles, you better do your own due diligence, because Heikin-Ashi candles are a beast. Okay, so now if you also take a look at these red and blue lines, these are the simple moving averages. I've got the 16 and the 20. These are basically exponential. They're basically moving averages. Okay, so as you can see right over here, we are beginning to use the daily the blue line, which should be the 20, right? We're beginning to use it as support, and this is on the 4 hourly. Okay, so we are extremely early. Okay, so let me switch over to the 1 hour. If you take a look at the 1 hour, right now we are finding support on the 6 simple moving average. Look at that, very, very decisive, and sort of predetermined type of move. And this is one of the reasons why this is obviously a clear bounce. We obviously had the price drop all the way down to around 5 cents. And we have had a bounce, ladies and gentlemen. We had that particular rally, and then the price came back down, and then we had like some sort of double bottom which really cemented our rise towards the top, and right now we are clearly heading up. And of course we might potentially come back down and we might find some support like around 6 cents, you know, all the way down to around 5 cents. So that is obviously going to be like a very good area to load up on some ZILs, because we are about to go and retest the previous high, ladies and gentlemen. The previous high as far as Zilliqa is concerned is obviously these levels. But obviously if you guys are going to be day trading and scalping, right, you've got like easy targets. Like this is one of the easiest coins to trade. Let's say for example we make our way all the way up, right? Best believe there's going to be some sort of rejection at this particular level. So if you are going to be following this particular trade, you already know your sell target right over there, ladies and gentlemen. These things are so easy, you know. And in case we manage to like blow past this area, best believe these particular levels are going to play significant roles. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why you just have to be very patient. Do what you have to do when you have to do what you have to do. So right now I'm actually letting you know that obviously the bulls are back in Zilliqa and we are about to continue this upside or upwards journey. A lot of you might be wondering like, hey, what is your price prediction? Ladies and gentlemen, I told you the price of Zilliqa is going to be way above $1 before the end of this year. By December 2021, the price of Zilliqa is going to be worth more than $1. However, it's not really going to be an easy journey. There's going to be ups and downs. There's going to be fluctuations. You're probably going to get liquidated not once, twice, or even 3 times, but don't give up, provided you practice proper risk management. So what is the moral of today's video? Today's video is all about letting you guys know, okay, the bulls are back. The bulls are freaking back. Muna aka Beyond 10x is also back, and when I'm back, ladies and gentlemen, good things happen. I just bring some sort of luck to the market as far as Zilliqa is concerned. You guys already know for the past 2 weeks Zilliqa has been not performing very well because I was absent. Okay, I'm just joking. The markets were just doing their own thing and I just, you know, decided to like give it some time because I know a lot of you are into Zilliqa. So I was like, okay, the markets are correcting. Let me just take a break here and I'll be back when things get steamy, and things are getting steamy. So ladies and gentlemen, if you really want to like make one of the laziest trades or the easiest trades, right? Oh, by the way, I'm also using the BSI indicator, right? It's also telling us that things are bullish. Okay, so if you really want to like use one of the laziest trading methods, is you can just, you know, follow the simple moving averages. You can just simply look for indicators, add simple moving averages. I'm using the 6 and the 20. So as you can see right over here, right, obviously what's going to be happening in the next few days is we are going to be seeing the price of Zilliqa you know, trail and kind of use the 6 simple moving average and obviously break down and find support on the 20 simple moving average, okay, which is the red line. So those are obviously going to be like very good areas, like see whether there is decent support, because historically speaking, right, when we were in that crazy uptrend, right, every time the price of Zilliqa would go you know, to this particular level, as far as the red line is concerned, right, this is where we used to sort of find support. And then when the structure was breaking right over there, right, you could have been very cautious and just careful. But of course, just using that simple trading methodology, you guys would do very well. But anyway, that's all I had for you today. I don't really have much to talk about today, and I just wanted to like say that you guys have to be alert, because things are about to get steamy, and we are probably going to you know, have like some very good buying action as far as Zilliqa is concerned. So you have to remember that this is not financial advice. I am not your financial advisor. Whatever you do, please do your own due diligence. As we are talking, the prices are steadily rising and things are getting steamy right now. As you can see, we are almost 12% up, and soon we are going to be at 7 cents. So by the time you're going to be watching this video, the prices are most likely going to be crazy. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. Just a warning and a heads up saying, okay, if you're shorting this particular market, you better stop. You have to stop shorting the market right now, because the bulls are absolutely back and crazy. Yeah, the other thing that we can look at is probably the volume, right? So let's take a look at the volume. So let's take a look at the past 7 days, right? So the 24-hour volume was 173 million US dollars. Okay, and we are gradually kinda reducing in terms of the volume, which is not very good. Damn, okay, that's pretty bad. All right, 11th January. Hold on. Let me look at the past 14 days. So 173, 151, 127, 141. So let's switch over to the 24-hour volume, because the 24-hour volume can give us like a better perspective, because just like I told you, right, we obviously just recently experienced this surge in terms of the buying volume, right? So this obviously started from 12th January, like in the morning, like around 3 a.m. So yeah, I think looking at the 24-hour trading volume would give us like a better perspective. So as you can see, right, the volume has been increasing, in the past 24 hours, which is very, very good. And hopefully we're going to be over $220 million worth of 24-hour trading volume. That would be very, very good as well. So I'm definitely going to be looking out for the volume. And yeah, hopefully we're going to be able to like crash this 23 cents pretty soon. So we'll see. We're only like 70% away. And yeah, it's going to be like a very good journey, and I'm here to document it. So in case you've got any other questions for me, any coin recommendations, please let me know. Oh, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, I told you that AVAX was going to do very well. Avalanche, just type AVAX on my YouTube channel. I told you to buy Avalanche when it was like $2. Yeah. Anyway, I won't say much because I don't want to rub it in, because I hate the people who say, I told you. All right. Okay. So I'll talk to you a little bit later. So yeah, be good, stay blessed, and subscribe.